this video, I'll show you how to knit a 12-stitch braid using a cable needle, a classic cable that adds beautiful texture to your knitting. This is the same stitch featured in this cozy wool hat, which will be coming soon as a full tutorial. Let's get started.
You'll need a cable needle, preferably either the same size of the main needle. Here I'm using 5mm needle and the cable one 4. I'm casting on 12 stitches plus 3 stitches on each side, so it's 18 in total. Using the regular long tail cast on. If you want to learn how to cast on long tail, I'll link a video down below. I have a tutorial for that.
First stitch slip, always slip the edge stitch, and then these two we will need. This is our setting round, so we will do it as a wrong side. Now we pull 12 stitches. I have 3 stitches left, and I'll knit 2 and pull the last one. So now we are on the right side, we knitted the wrong side, and first stitches always slip, then 2 pull. That's just to support our braid, this side stitches. Now 12 knit, that's where the main braid will be. I knitted 12 stitches, and now I have 2 to purl. They're identical to the one that we did in the beginning of the row, and the last stitch is always purl. That's outside stitch, edge stitch. The third row we repeating exactly what we did in the first one. First slip, 2 knit, and purl 12, and 3 last one, 2 knit and 1 purl in the end. Row number 4, and now we're forming the first twist. We'll be doing this in every 4th row. So first 3 stitches with we will do as establish slip, first slip, 2 purl, then we knit 4 stitches, then I take a cable needle and I transfer 4 stitches on it, and the stitches will be behind the work. Alright, also 4. And now I knit from this regular needle 4 stitches. Perfect. Then I will knit stitches from the cable needle. Just make sure that you're taking the right side of the loop, not the left one, otherwise it would be cross stitches. That's our first twist, and now we purl 2, and the last edge stitch will be purl as well. Row number 5, first we slip, and then we knit 2, then 12 would be purl. Might look a little bit confusing, but it's just a regular pull stitch. The last 2 we knit, and the edge stitch is always purl. Row number 6 we will do exactly as the row number 2, nothing changes here. Slip 1, then purl 2, knit 12, and then the last 3 will be purl. Row number 7 we do exactly as the every even one, but that's keep in mind that's only for flat knitting. For circular knitting there is a different rules. For circular knitting there would be only just knitting everything and no turning around and purl stitches, only purl stitches here if you have it, and then twisting cables in every fourth round. It's much easier. Now it's 8th row and it's time to form our braid. Again, first stitch slip, then 2 side stitches, and then I'll use a cable needle. I get my 4 stitches on the cable needle, make sure that it's 4, and knit 4 stitches, 4, knit 4 stitches from the cable needle, perfect, then knit remaining 4, great, and purl the rest 3 stitches. That's pretty much it. We formed the braid. Now I'll just knit a little bit. That's how it looks like, guys. And if you doing your twist in every 5th row, that's how it would look like. And here is my braids. They're a little bit tighter because circular knitting naturally gives a little bit tighter knit than the flat knitting, so they looks, and there are so many of them, they looks completely different. I think now you have a choice. You can knit this as I did this beanie, or you can use the other one, and tutorial will be soon on the channel, so stay tuned.